you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's you running here? What's you running in here?
I got 6 ED Audio 15s, Redline Series 7s. Run on 2 5Ks, M3C seats.
Yes, sir. These are 15s, right?
Yes, sir.
Dog on the block, I'm getting that. Couple of this whip, I'm getting that.
These are the Redline series?
Yes, sir.
And how many watts? How many watts you running to them?
3,500 for 3. Not much.
3,500 for all 3.
For just 3.
I mean, for 3. Okay, for 3. Yeah. That ain't much at all.
That's not much at all, is it?
That ain't cutting up. You built it yourself? You built everything?
The box was in here when we bought the van.
Yeah.
It was my dad's friend's. He owned it for years.
Yeah.
Originally had, pretty sure at one point it had 24 8s.
Yeah.
It was competition to get out.
And do the whole get up.
Then I had this box when we bought it. We painted it all, dynamited it.
It's looking good and it's sounding good too.
Yeah.
That's my first time hearing the Redline series of them. And it's on 3,500 each 3.
Yes, sir.
Man, what can I find you at on social media anywhere? Can they follow you anywhere?
Tater Jr. on Instagram.
Okay. Y'all be sure to give him a follow.
Appreciate it. Thanks for sitting in it.
Yes, sir. Oh, I saw you
Awesome.
find your video.
Oh man, thank you.
Appreciate it. Is the back open where you can see the amps and stuff? Is it open?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you.
I'll open it for you.
Oh, yeah. Clean, too. Appreciate it. You drove it over here or you trailered it? Oh, man, you can't beat it. It was good seeing you, man. Take it easy.
You too.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.